In today's video, I'm going to teach you Enable Your Affiliate Program. If you're ready to let fans and partners promote your products and earn a commission, you can set that up in just a few minutes. We'll walk through exactly where to find the settings, how to enable the system, and how to choose commission, cookie length, and minimum payout values that make sense for your business. By the end, your affiliate program will be switched on and ready to track referrals. First, open your Sellfy dashboard and head to the Affiliate Programs section. Then go to Settings. This is the control center for how your affiliate system behaves. Think of it as the place where you turn the program on and define the rules for how earnings are calculated and when they're paid out. Next, switch on the affiliate system enabled toggle. This activates your program so that affiliate referrals can be tracked and commissions can accrue. Until this toggle is on, nothing is recorded, so make sure it's enabled before you share anything about your program with partners. Now configure the key values that determine how affiliates are rewarded. Start with your commission rate. Choose a percentage that aligns with your margins and goals. Higher commissions can encourage more promotion, but you'll want to keep profitability in mind. Consider your average order value and what a sustainable ongoing percentage looks like for you. Then set your cookie length, which is how long you give credit for a purchase after someone clicks an affiliate link. A shorter window favors immediate purchases, while a longer one helps affiliates earn on delayed decisions. Think about your typical buying cycle. If customers usually research before purchasing, a longer cookie window can be a fairer reflection of the affiliate's influence. Finally, choose the minimum payout. This is the threshold an affiliate must reach before a payout is triggered. A sensible minimum helps reduce transaction fees and keeps your accounting tidy while still being achievable for your partners. Pick a number that balances administrative efficiency with affiliate motivation. When you're happy with these settings, save your changes. Saving applies everything you just configured, so your commission calculations, tracking window, and payout threshold will work exactly as defined. If you adjust your strategy later, you can return to this page and update any of these values. That's it. You've navigated to the affiliate program settings, enabled the system, set a commission rate, defined a cookie length, chose a minimum payout, and saved. Your affiliate program is now active and ready to attribute clicks and sales according to your rules. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime as your business grows.